review on a website that I ordered my prom dress off of. Prom season is right around the corner. This is the time where girls are purchasing their dresses. So here on my channel, I'll be doing a prom series, but that won't start for about another week or two. This is going to be the first video for my prom series. I wanted to get this review up for you guys because I know prom dress shopping is so hard, and it's really hard for two reasons. Either you do not like anything in stores or they're way too expensive. So the website that I ordered my prom dress off of last week is promgirl.com. I went on there, I've been going on there for years now, just looking at different types of dresses and what I liked and all of that stuff. So I went on there and I found a mermaid dress that I fell in love with, and I decided to order it. But before ordering it, I looked at the reviews online, and there was mixed reviews saying, one would say, oh my gosh, I love my dress, it came in, it fit me perfect, yada yada yada. And then there was another review that says, do not order from this website. They gave me the wrong size or something like that. It didn't look anything like it looked like in the picture and all of this stuff. So I was like, do I order it or do I not? I was very confused on whether or not I wanted to order from that website. So I went on YouTube and I decided to type in prom girl reviews or anything, and I found a few videos that I probably watched 4 or 5 of them, and all of the girls loved their dresses. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and order it. So this was Wednesday of last week that I ordered it, and it came in by Friday. So I was so surprised because it had free shipping, and usually free shipping takes a little longer. So I was hoping it would be in sometime this week, and I got it within 2 days. So let me talk about sizing. You want to make sure you size yourself, because on each individual dress, when you go on there and you go onto their page, when you see a dress that you like and you click on it, it comes up and it has a link where you can click for a size chart for that specific dress. And you want to make sure you do that, because you do not want to just say, oh, well, I'm a size 2 in all of my dresses, let me just order a size 2. Because each designer dress is going to be different on the size. So, for instance, last year for my prom dress I had a size 4, and I got it taken in. So it's probably going to be a size 3 or 4. And I was like, oh, well, I'll just do a size 4, I'm fine. Last minute, I decided to, I was literally at checkout. I was all the way at the review screen. That's the last thing before you click confirm, like, go ahead and ship me my package. And I was like, let me go size myself. So I used a tape measure, and you have to measure around your boobs, and then around the thinnest part of your waist, and then around the fattest part of like your butt. And then you can calculate that, and it'll tell you what size you are. So, you know, I was a size 4 in my boobs and my hips, but my waist was like a size 6 or something. So I decided to go with the size 6, and thank God I did, because it fit perfectly. If I would have got the size 4, it would have been way too tight. And now I can, if I need alterations, which I do, I can have it taken in rather than taken out. Some seamstress and stuff can't take out because there isn't enough fabric or material to do so. That happened to my friend last year. My friend bought a size 0, and she wound up finding out that she couldn't even sit in the dress. So she took it to the place that I go to, and she told her, like, I can't do this because there isn't enough material, like, to take it out with. Hi, Sydney, if you're watching. But, I just didn't want that to happen to me. I decided to get the size 6, and then I'm thinking, oh my god, I got the size 6. Like, is that going to be too big on me? Am I going to have to get a lot off? Is that even going to fit? Is it going to be too small on me? So all of these things are running through my head Wednesday night and Thursday, and I went on, it sends you a confirmation email, and I clicked on it. It says you can track your package. So, you know, I was doing that like nonstop, wanting to see how long it would take to get there and stuff. And it gave me an email saying my package is shipped and it would be in on Friday, February 20th, I think it was. So the package came in around 5 o'clock, where actually I wasn't even home, but I had my parents send me pictures of it because I was so anxious and nervous about, what if this isn't even my dress? Like, what if it looks nothing like what it looks like online? So they sent me pictures and it looked exactly like it, so I was so happy. And then I came home Saturday morning and I tried on my dress and it was perfect. I really was really happy with ordering from them. And I also got something in the box that it came in. I got a little like scratch off card, kind of like a lottery ticket. And it said scratch here, so I scratched off and it said I get $15 off my next purchase. So I was so excited. It really fits me good. I'm going to have to get a few things wrong, like a few things done to it, just like cups into the top, just so it's comfortable. I just put bathing suit pads in there just for the time being, but I want to get them sewn in. And then I'm going to have it taken in around my thighs a little, just so it has that mermaid effect, because right now it's just kind of like, not baggy, but it's kind of just hanging down a little. So I want that like curved look where at the bottom it poofs out. So, and then the bottom, I just need that to get altered a little because the way it's sitting right now, it's kind of just bunched up. But those are just easy things that my seamstress can do, and she is so affordable, and I'm so thankful that my mom has found her because she is literally the best seamstress I've ever been to. Not that I've been to a lot or anything, but she's helped me a lot, and she did my last year's prom dress, and it turned out awesome. If you are looking to find a prom dress, I recommend that you go on promgirl.com and just give it a look. I really recommend this website if you are trying to find a prom dress that is affordable. I mean, it's not really discounted, but I feel like going in stores, I'm going to spend over $500, and I did not want to spend that much. For my dress, I only spent $378. But at the same time, that is really expensive for some people. So if you need a cheap dress, there is even a button you can click for prom dresses under $200. Or if you want a short dress, a long dress, or anything. This website's awesome, and I really trusted them after I got my dress in and I found out that I loved it. If you guys have any more questions about the website, you can leave them down below. Hopefully this video helps. If you were stuck on finding a prom dress, go ahead and I'll leave a link down to the website down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. See ya!